Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I have a super easy and incredibly tasty recipe for you. Black bean tacos. They are perfect for a quick and satisfying vegan meal that the whole family will love. You'll need 1 can, 15 ounces, black beans, drained and rinsed. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1 small onion, diced. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. 1 teaspoon chili powder. Salt and pepper to taste. 8 small tortillas. Toppings of your choice. Suggestions: avocado slices, diced tomatoes, shredded lettuce, vegan sour cream, salsa. First, we'll heat some olive oil in a skillet over medium heat. Once the oil is heated, we'll add our diced onions and minced garlic, sautéing them until they become wonderfully fragrant and slightly softened. Now, it's time to add our star ingredient, black beans. I like to use canned black beans for convenience, but you can also cook your own from scratch if you prefer. Make sure to drain and rinse the beans before adding them to the skillet. To season the black beans and give them a burst of flavor, we'll add ground cumin, chili powder, salt, and pepper. Stir everything together, coating the beans in those aromatic spices. Allow the mixture to cook for a few minutes until the beans are heated through and the flavors have melded together beautifully. While our black beans are simmering away, let's warm up our tortillas. You can do this in a dry skillet or simply pop them in the microwave for a few seconds until they become nice and pliable. Now comes the fun part, assembling the tacos. Grab a tortilla and spoon a generous portion of our delicious black bean mixture onto it. Feel free to add any toppings your heart desires. I love adding avocado slices, diced tomatoes, shredded lettuce, vegan sour cream, and a dollop of salsa for that extra kick. Get creative and personalize your tacos with your favorite flavors. And there you have it. Black bean tacos that are quick, easy, and bursting with flavor. They make for a fantastic weeknight meal, a crowd-pleasing option for gatherings, or a satisfying lunch on the go. I hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy it as much as I do. If you do, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious vegan recipes like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!